We will now pay honor and respect due to the flag of our country. Ready, begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Welcome Principal Casimir, Assistant Principal Wexler, Advisor Ms. Wazlowski, faculty, parents, family, students, and my fellow Student Council officers and representatives. My name is Christian Hampton, and I'm your proud 2020 through 2021 President of Henry E. Harris School. It's amazing how we all pulled through together this past year so far. My fellow students, this year we have been faced with one of the greatest challenges of our lives, from a global pandemic to online learning. We as children, teens, and students have had to rise to the occasion and persevere, flying over many obstacles, just like our school mascot, the Hawks. I was elected by my fellow students to be the leader of our school body and as a voice for each and every student at Henry Harris School to take the right steps towards success. In addition, I will be an advocate for our students and serve as a liaison to our administration, advisor, and school PTA. I know that this year looks and felt a lot different than any other. However, we all must rise to the occasion like the Henry Harris Hawks that we are and continue on with our school motto, pride, tradition, and spirit. So join us in making the 2020 through 2021 school year one that we are destined to remember for the rest of our lives.
Hi everyone. Thank you for having me. This is Superintendent John Neese. I'm going to be speaking to you today about our newly elected Student Council. Newly elected members of the Student Council, please be assured that your journey, your achievements, and your value are noticed. Every day your school will benefit from your creativity, your hard work, your intelligence, and your leadership. Think about how hard you have worked to get where you are right now. The work you do matters, and we are proud of you. I look forward to working with our Student Council. I wish you all the best. Congratulations, and keep working hard. Thank you, everybody.
Hello. I'm reaching out to you, the newly elected Student Council members, to say congratulations on your roles as leaders of the student bodies. Being a member of the Student Council sets you apart from all your peers, as you have chosen to step up and be involved. You have raised your hand and said, "I will do it." This leadership and sense of pride is what sets you apart and warrants our praise. Since becoming the mayor of Bayonne in 2014, student councils from all over the city come to City Hall and meet with me each year. I am not exaggerating when I say that meeting with each of you as I sit in the council chambers is one of my single favorite mayoral duties. Unfortunately, the COVID-19 pandemic has kept us from meeting, but we will again soon, and I truly look forward to that day. When I see each of our student councils, I am reassured that the future of our country is in great hands. This reassurance comes from your intellect, drive, spirit, and sense of duty. Once again, I want to say congratulations, and I look forward to seeing you all again soon.
On my honor, I, Irene Nassim, do promise to uphold the standards of the Henry E. Harris Student Council and to perform to the best of my ability the office of Secretary.
On my honor, I, Jonah Riscala, do promise to uphold the standards of the Henry Harris Student Council and to perform to the best of my ability the office of Treasurer.
On my honor, I, Gabrielle Perez, do promise to uphold the standards of the Henry E. Harris Student Council and to perform to the best of my ability of the office of Vice President.
For my honor, I, Christian Hampton, do promise to uphold the standards of the Henry Harris Student Council and to perform to the best of my ability the office of President.
Hello, I'm Assemblyman Nicholas Scervolotti. First and foremost, congratulations. Congratulations on your election to the Student Council. I wish you the best of luck as you begin these new and exciting roles. This has been a difficult year, but we've all learned how to do things a little differently. Hopefully, next year, we'll be able to join together in person for this celebration. You have been recognized by your fellow students as leaders. Leadership comes with a responsibility, and there are lots of different styles of leadership. I would ask you to consider becoming service leaders. For me, this means making service to your fellow students your number one priority. It means being a role model, walking the walk. It means listening to your fellow students and using hopeful and positive words to convey your message. Being a servant leader is not easy. It is always easier to shut down debate or ignore those who do not agree with us. But as leaders, it is important to work with all sides to form a shared vision for your school. No matter the obstacles, by working together, we can achieve our goals. I would close with one of my favorite quotes from Justice Ruth Bader Ginsburg. Fight for the things that you care about, but do it in a way that will lead others to join you. Thank you and good luck.
Congratulations to the newly elected Henry E. Harris Student Council. Each one of you will play a vital role in the continued development of our school. Among these challenging times, it is the responsibility of the Student Council to be actively involved in creating innovative ideas in which we can contribute to our community, as well as helping to keep Henry E. Harris such a special place. In time, each of you will learn that the actions of a few can make a tremendous difference for many. Please know that this is an extremely high honor where your classmates believe in your displaying qualities of leadership and character. It is up to you as student council leaders to promote values of respect and responsibility and help foster collaboration. As officers and representatives, you will fulfill these duties as role models for our school. I want to thank each of you for your determination, your dedication, and your eagerness to devote your time and effort to making our community and school a better place. Congratulations once again to Henry E. Harris's 2020-2021 Student Council.